Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best car dash cameras to help you stay safe and capture every moment on the road. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video, wide-angle coverage, or smart features like night vision and parking mode, these dash cams have it all. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're essential for every driver. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your driving experience, let's get started. Number 5. Viofo A229 Plus Dash Camera. If you're looking for a dash cam that blends cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance, the Viofo A229 Plus is a game-changer. This 2K HDR dash camera is packed with features designed to enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road. At the heart of the A229 Plus is its dual-channel Sony Starvis 2 sensors. These sensors capture an incredible level of detail, even in low-light conditions. With 2.5 times the dynamic range and light sensitivity compared to its predecessor, it delivers exceptional night vision performance, making sure you get clear footage in all conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in fast-moving traffic, this dash cam records with reduced noise and sharp details. With 1440p recording on both the front and rear cameras, the A229 Plus takes clarity to the next level. The high frame rate of 60 frames per second on the front camera ensures smooth. Number 4. Tiesfong M10 Max 2K Dash Cam. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam that combines innovation, superior quality, and comprehensive coverage, the Tiesfong M10 Max 2K 1440p dash cam is a top-tier choice. Designed to enhance safety and provide peace of mind, this 4-channel dash cam offers 360-degree surveillance with exceptional features to capture every detail inside and outside your car. Crystal clear recording, day or night. The Tiesfong M10 Max records in stunning 2K 1440p resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the left, right, and rear cameras. Its superior night vision technology, equipped with 8 infrared lights and wide dynamic range, WDR, functionality, ensures sharp, clear footage even in low-light conditions. From bright highways to dark parking lots, this dash cam delivers vivid clarity. 4-channel, 360 degrees coverage. What sets the M10 Max apart is its 4-channel recording capability. Number 3. Azdome M550 Pro Dash Cam. The Azdome M550 Pro car DVR dash cam is a cutting-edge solution for drivers who value high-quality video recording, reliable security, and advanced features. With options for 2-channel or 3-channel configurations, this dash cam caters to a variety of needs, offering crystal clear footage and comprehensive coverage. The M550 Pro delivers stunning clarity with its 4K front camera, 3840x 2160p, and flexible configurations. Whether you choose the 2-channel setup, front and rear, or the 3-channel option, the footage is sharp and detailed. The IR night vision technology, powered by Novatek's 8629G processor and advanced sensors, ensures clear recordings even in low-light or nighttime conditions. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. One of the standout features of the M550 Pro is its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which is up to 6 times faster than traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Downloading videos is a breeze. Number 2. DDPAI Dash Cam Z50. The DDPAI Z50 Dash Cam delivers a perfect blend of advanced technology, high performance, and reliability, making it a must-have for anyone seeking enhanced vehicle security and crystal clear footage. With front and rear 4K capability, this dual dash cam covers all angles, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Exceptional video quality. Equipped with the Sony IMX415 sensor, a 7-layer optical lens, and an f1.8 aperture, the Z50 captures every detail with precision. The Night VIS technology takes nighttime recording to the next level, combining software and hardware advancements to enhance low-light performance. Number 1. 70mm 4K Dash Cam A810. The 70mm 4K Dash Cam A810 is a masterpiece of automotive tech, offering unmatched video clarity, intelligent features, and robust performance. With over 5,000 units sold and a stellar 4.7-star rating from 1,030 reviews, this dash cam stands as a trusted choice for drivers seeking top-tier security and convenience. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.